Hello everyone, welcome back to TalkDrill. I am Emma.
And I am Lucas. Hello everyone. We are very happy that you are here with us today.
Lucas, how are you today?
I am doing great, Emma. I woke up early today, so I feel fresh and active. What about you?
I am wonderful, thank you. And I am very excited because today we have a very useful topic.
Yes. Today's topic is something everyone can relate to. Emma, tell them.
Today we are talking about your daily routine.
Routine. The things you do every day. The same things. Every single day.
Every day. And talking about your routine is one of the most common conversations in English. Someone asks, "How is your day? What do you do every morning? Tell me about your life."
And you need the words. You need the vocabulary. The words of a language.
So today we will give you all the words, step by step, from morning to night.
But before we start, everyone please subscribe to TalkDrill right now. Click that subscribe button.
Yes, it is free. It takes 2 seconds, and it really helps us make more episodes for you.
More English, more learning, more fun. Subscribe now.
And click the like button too. Okay, Lucas, are you ready?
I am ready. Let us begin.
Okay, let us start from the very beginning of the day. Lucas, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 o'clock, 6 a.m., every morning.
6 o'clock. That is early. I wake up at 7:30.
7:30, a little later than me.
A little later, yes. I am not a morning person. Morning person, someone who loves waking up early, who feels good and energetic from the very first minute.
I am absolutely a morning person. I wake up and I feel ready, happy. Let us go.
I do not understand those people at all.
Ha! It is just how some people are. And some people need 1 full hour before they are ready to speak to anyone.
That is me. Do not talk to me before my coffee. I am not responsible for what I say.
Ha! We will come to coffee very soon. But first, do you use an alarm?
Oh yes, I use 2 alarms. One at 7:15 and one at 7:30.
2 alarms. Why 2?
Because when the first one rings, I turn it off and I go back to sleep.
Ha! The first alarm is just a warning. Like, hey, morning is coming. Be ready.
Exactly. And the second alarm is the real one. That is when I actually get up.
I only use 1 alarm. 6 o'clock. And I get up immediately. I do not like to lie in bed.
Lie in bed. To stay in bed and rest after you wake up. Some people love this. On weekends, I love it.
On weekends, yes, maybe. But on weekdays, I am up. Weekdays. Monday to Friday. The working days.
And weekends, Saturday and Sunday. The days off.
Days off. The best 2 words in English.
Ha! Very true. Okay, so we finally wake up. What is the very first thing you do?
I stretch. I move my arms and legs and body to loosen up. Like this. Arms up, back out. Ha.
Like a cat. Cats stretch so perfectly every single morning.
Cats are the masters of stretching. We should all be more like cats in the morning.
Ha, yes. Okay, and then I go to the bathroom. Let us talk about the morning routine.
The morning bathroom routine. Very important. What do you do?
First, I wash my face. Cold water, always cold water.
Cold water. That is brave, Emma.
It wakes you up immediately. You put cold water on your face and suddenly, boom, you are awake. Like a shock. SHOCK. A sudden surprise that wakes your body up.
I use warm water. I am more gentle with myself in the morning.
Gentle, soft, careful, not too harsh. Lucas is gentle with himself.
Huh, nothing wrong with that. Then I brush my teeth.
Every morning, every night. Very important. And do you know how long you should brush?
2 minutes. The dentist says 2 full minutes.
2 minutes. It sounds short, but when you are standing there brushing, it feels very long.
It does. But all the teeth need attention. Front, back, top, bottom, left side, right side. 2 minutes.
Your dentist will be very happy with you. Okay. Do you shower in the morning or at night?
I shower at night, before bed. I find it very relaxing. It helps me sleep.
I shower in the morning, every morning. It helps me wake up and feel fresh, clean and full of energy.
So we are opposite. I shower at night, Lucas, and I shower in the morning, Emma.
Ha! Both are correct. It depends on the person. Different for different people.
After the shower, you get dressed. Put on your clothes for the day.
Now, this can take 5 minutes or it can take 30 minutes. It really depends.
For some people, 30 minutes. How?
You stand in front of your wardrobe and you cannot decide. The cupboard where you keep your clothes.
I have a solution for this. I choose my clothes the night before.
Plan ahead. Prepare before you need to.
Yes, the night before, I look at tomorrow's schedule. Do I have meetings? Do I need to dress formal? I decide. I put the clothes ready.
And in the morning, no thinking. Just put on the clothes and go.
Exactly. It saves so much time and mental energy. The thinking power of your brain.
Great tip for everyone. Plan your clothes the night before. Save 20 minutes every morning.
20 minutes you can use for something better. Like sleeping.
Or having a peaceful breakfast. Now, the most important part of the morning. Breakfast.
Do you know where this word comes from, Emma?
Tell me.
Break. To stop something. Fast. A period when you do not eat. When you sleep, you are fasting for 7, 8, 9 hours.
And breakfast breaks that fast. You break your fast. Breakfast.
Exactly. That is the origin of the word. origin. Where something comes from.
I love knowing the origin of words. It helps you remember them.
It does. Okay. Do you eat breakfast every day?
Every single day. I never skip it. To not do something on purpose. I never skip breakfast.
Good. Breakfast is very important. It gives you energy, the power to think, to work, to move.
If you skip breakfast, your brain is like a phone with 0% battery.
0%. No power. You cannot function. Work properly.
So everyone, eat your breakfast. Do not skip it. Your brain needs fuel, energy for a machine.
What do you eat, Emma?
I eat toast every morning. Bread that is cooked until it is crispy and golden brown.
Crispy. Hard and a little crunchy. The sound when you bite it. Crunch.
Ha! Yes, crunchy toast. And I spread butter on it. To put something evenly across a surface.
Spread. Like you spread butter. You spread jam. You spread peanut butter.
Peanut butter. A thick paste made from peanuts. Very popular in many countries.
Very popular. Okay, I eat scrambled eggs.
Scrambled eggs. You mix the eggs while they are cooking in the pan. They become soft and fluffy.
Fluffy. light and soft, like a cloud. Fluffy scrambled eggs.
With salt and pepper?
Salt, black pepper, and a little butter in the pan. Simple and absolutely delicious.
Simple is the best kind of breakfast. And to drink?
Coffee, of course.
Coffee. I also drink coffee. I cannot start my day without it. It is a necessity. Something you absolutely must have.
Ha! A necessity. Yes. Without coffee, I am not a person. I am just a body walking around.
Ha! A body walking around without a brain.
Exactly. Coffee gives me back my brain.
Do you take milk?
Black coffee. No milk, no sugar. Just black.
Strong coffee. Powerful. Full of caffeine. I take milk and 1 sugar.
Milk and sugar. Softer taste.
I like a softer taste in the morning. I am easing into the day. Going slowly and gently into something.
Easing into the day. I like that. A gentle start. Okay, breakfast done, coffee done. Now, how do you get to work?
I take the metro, the underground train inside a city.
The metro, also called the subway in American English. In London, they call it the tube.
The tube, because the tunnel is shaped like a tube, a round cylinder.
Same thing, different names in different countries. How long is your commute?
About 30 minutes, sometimes more if there is a delay, when the train is late.
Delay is so frustrating. When something does not go as planned and you feel annoyed.
You stand on the platform and you wait, and wait, and the announcement comes, "We apologize for the delay."
Ha! We apologize for the delay. You hear that and you...
Sigh. A long, slow breath out when you are tired or frustrated. Like this.
Ha! Yes. The delay sigh. Very universal.
But I use the commute time well. I listen to podcasts, like TalkDrill.
Ha! Excellent choice. And this is great advice for everyone. Your commute, the journey between home and work, is perfect learning time.
On the metro, on the bus, on the train, you can listen to English podcasts.
You can read English articles. You can review vocabulary. You are not wasting time.
You are converting dead time into learning time, changing something from one thing into another.
Converting dead time. Dead time means time that feels useless, wasted, like waiting.
But now that waiting time, that commute time, becomes study time. So useful.
I go by car. I drive to work.
Oh, how long is your drive?
About 20 minutes. I listen to music or sometimes a podcast.
But carefully. When you drive, eyes on the road.
Ha! Yes. Do not get too absorbed in a podcast while driving. Absorbed. So focused on something that you forget everything else.
Podcasts on the bus, on the train, yes. While driving, be careful. Safety first.
Safety first. Always. English and safety. TalkDrill gives you everything.
You arrive at work. What is the first thing you do?
I sit at my desk, the table where you work. I turn on my computer and I check my emails.
Emails, electronic messages. Most people check these first thing in the morning.
It helps you know what happened since yesterday. Any urgent messages. Something that needs attention right now.
Urgent, important and time-sensitive. It cannot wait.
Then I make my to-do list. Everything I need to do today, written down.
A to-do list is so helpful. You look at it and you know exactly what to focus on.
And when you finish a task, you cross it off. Draw a line through it.
That feeling, when you cross something off your list, so satisfying.
It gives you a sense of achievement. You completed something. You did it.
Small achievements make a big day. 1 cross, 2 crosses, 3 crosses. By the end of the day, you feel very productive.
Productive. You did a lot of things. You used your time well.
And an unproductive day, when you did not get much done, feels awful.
Awful. Very bad. You go home thinking, what did I actually do today?
Ha! We have all had those days.
We have. So, make your list. Check your items. Be productive. Now, the best part of the workday, lunch break.
The time in the middle of the day when you stop work and eat.
What time do you take lunch, Emma?
I usually take it at 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. What about you?
Same. 1 o'clock. Do you eat at your desk or do you go out?
I usually bring a packed lunch, food you prepare at home and bring to work.
Cheaper than buying outside every day. And healthier, usually.
Much cheaper. If you buy lunch outside every working day, that is 5 days a week, 50 weeks a year. It adds up, becomes a large amount over time.
Adds up. Yes. Small costs every day become a big cost over a year.
So I bring my lunch, a sandwich usually, sometimes leftovers from dinner.
Leftovers. Food that was cooked yesterday or before and was not finished. You keep it and eat it the next day. Work is finished. You go home. What is your evening routine?
First, I change my clothes and put on something comfortable.
Same here. The moment I get home, I change immediately.
Then it is time for dinner. Do you cook?
I do, but only simple food. Usually pasta because it is quick and easy.
Nice. I enjoy cooking because it helps me relax after work.
That is true. Cooking can help you switch off from a busy day.
Exactly. After dinner, I usually watch something light on television.
And I prefer to read a book before bed.
That is a good habit. Reading is much better than looking at your phone late at night.
Yes, too much screen time before bed is not good for sleep.
What time do you go to bed?
Around 11 o'clock. And you?
Around 10:30. Good sleep is very important.
Absolutely. Sleep helps you feel fresh and ready for the next day. So, today we talked about a full daily routine, from morning to night.
Yes, and we learned many useful English words and expressions for everyday life.
This is the kind of English people really use in real conversations.
Now it is your turn. Write in the comments about your daily routine.
You can write something simple like, I wake up at 7, or after work, I relax at home.
Do not be shy. Practice a little every day.
And before we go, please subscribe to TalkDrill, like this video, and share it with one friend.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today.
It was a pleasure. I am Lucas.
And I am Emma. Stay safe, keep practicing every single day.
And we will see you in the next episode. Goodbye.
Subscribe to TalkDrill and keep speaking English every single day.